Unlocking reading skills, essential techniques for the language classroom. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into an essential aspect of language learning, reading skills. Whether you're a teacher, a student, or just someone interested in improving your reading abilities, this video is for you. So, let's explore the different kinds of reading skills that can be taught in a language classroom. Segment 1. The importance of reading skills. First, let's talk about why reading skills are so crucial in language learning. Reading not only improves vocabulary and comprehension but also enhances critical thinking and cultural understanding. So, what types of reading skills can we focus on? Let's break them down. Segment 2. Scanning. Visual. A student quickly looking through a piece of text. First up is scanning. This skill involves quickly locating specific information within a text. It's useful for tasks like finding a date in a schedule or looking for a name in an article. In the classroom, you can practice scanning with activities like treasure hunts in texts or information retrieval challenges. Segment 3. Skimming. Next, we have skimming. This skill allows readers to get the general idea of a text without reading every word. It's great for deciding whether to read a piece more carefully. In the classroom, encourage students to look for headings, subheadings, and keywords to grasp the main ideas quickly. Segment 4. Detailed reading. Then we have detailed reading. This involves reading carefully to understand and analyze the material deeply. This skill is often necessary for studying complex texts or preparing for exams. You might assign specific passages for students to dissect and discuss in groups. Segment 5. Inferential reading. Another crucial skill is inferential reading. This skill helps students read between the lines, draw conclusions, and make predictions based on context and clues in the text. Engage students in activities that ask them to infer meanings or emotions from given passages. Segment 6. Critical reading. Then there's critical reading. This skill encourages students to evaluate the text, consider the author's purpose, and question the material. You can promote critical thinking through debates, discussions, and written reflections about the text they read. Segment 7. Functional reading. Finally, let's discuss functional reading. This type of reading involves understanding texts that are practical and necessary for daily life, such as signs, menus, and forms. Incorporate real-world materials into your lessons to make this skill more relatable and engaging. Conclusion. In conclusion, teaching diverse reading skills in the language classroom not only equips students with the tools they need to comprehend texts but also makes them more confident and competent readers. So, which skills will you incorporate into your classroom? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content.